Hey there, welcome back to Milk Matters USA. If you're new here, I'm your name, and this channel is all about helping parents feel confident and informed when it comes to feeding their little ones. Studio microphone voiceover. Today we're talking about a hot topic in the parenting world, feeding on demand versus scheduled feeding. If you've ever asked yourself, should I feed my baby whenever they're hungry, or stick to a routine? You're not alone. Part 1. What is feeding on demand? Let's break it down. Feeding on demand basically means feeding your baby whenever they show signs they're hungry, not based on the clock. Eyes, cut to visuals of baby rooting, sucking on hands, fussing, studio microphone voiceover. Babies give you little clues when they're hungry, like smacking their lips, turning their head toward your chest, or getting fussy. Feeding on demand responds to those cues, not a set schedule. Pushpin pros. Builds trust between you and your baby, supports milk supply for breastfeeding moms, helps meet baby's growth needs, especially in growth spurts, and let's be honest, newborns don't care what time it is. They're just trying to survive and grow. So feeding on demand helps meet their unique needs as they happen. Part 2. What is scheduled feeding? 3 o'clock, visual of a feeding chart or routine checklist, studio microphone voiceover. Now, scheduled feeding is the opposite. It's when you feed your baby at set times, say every 3 hours, no matter what. This method is often used in daycare settings or by parents who want more routine in their day. And hey, we get it. Parenting is exhausting, and some structure can help. Pushpin pros. Can help parents plan their day, may lead to more consistent sleep and nap schedules, helpful for caregivers and working parents. But here's the catch. Not all babies fit perfectly into a schedule, especially in those first few months. Part 3. So, which one is better? Alright, so here's the million-dollar question. Which one is better, feeding on demand or scheduled feeding? And the truth is, it depends on your baby and your family's lifestyle. Family man, woman, girl, cut to family with baby, smiling and relaxed, studio microphone voiceover. For newborns, most experts, including the American Academy of Pediatrics, recommend feeding on demand, especially if you're breastfeeding. It helps babies grow at their own pace and keeps your milk supply strong. But as babies get older, around 4 to 6 months, some parents naturally start to find a rhythm. That's when gentle scheduling can start to make sense, especially if you're heading back to work or introducing solids. Part 4. Tips for finding what works for you. Studio microphone voiceover. Watch your baby, not the clock. Look for hunger cues and full signals. Don't stress if your day isn't perfectly timed. Babies aren't robots. Try blending both methods. Flexible schedules can be a happy middle ground. Every baby is different. Some will thrive on demand. Others will settle into a schedule naturally. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, and that's okay. Wrap up and encouragement. If you're feeding your baby with love, attention, and care, you're doing great. Whether you go with on-demand, scheduled, or a mix of both, trust your instincts. You know your baby better than anyone. If you found this helpful, give us a like, hit subscribe, and share it with a fellow parent who's figuring things out too. And drop your questions or experiences in the comments. We love hearing from you. Pushpin, subscribe to Milk Matters USA for more baby feeding tips. Thanks for watching Milk Matters USA. We're here to support you, one feed at a time. See you in the next video. Milk Matters USA.